All right. Okay. Good afternoon, everyone. So let us start our lab exercise today. So today we are going to discuss animation. Okay, how do we apply animation in the 3D model? So this is example that we are going to do here. So let's say, have a look. We have 100 frame. Okay, and between first to the 75 we move it, okay, but from the 75 to 100 we walk in the same location. Have a look this one, right? So first you need to download this file from Kalam. Okay, you can go to the Kalam, yeah. Have a look here. Okay, then you can download this file with 10, Walker, under the Walker. Okay, you download this one, Walker version 2. All right. After that, you open the Maya. Okay, you open the Maya, then click File, open Scene. Okay, and then select the file that you has been downloaded. Yeah. Okay, something like this. Okay. The next step is you select this. You can see there are some option here. There are two column here. Choose this one. Then you can see the front Z. You can update it here. Select the panels, orthographic, and we want to see from the side. Okay. So if you look at the perspective here, there are some controller. Yeah, this one controller. This one is controller for the body. Okay, you can if you select the move tool here, then you can adjust it. Yeah, something like this. So let's say I set at 0 again, or maybe you wanna translate into Y. Yeah, something like this. Yeah, and we also have this one, okay, controller for the right side. Okay, this one is for the left side here. Yeah. And this one, the triangle here is the whole, the whole for all left and right. Okay, maybe you didn't see on the in this side, yeah, side X, something like empty. Then you can show it. You can select show, choose all, yeah, yeah. Then you can see. Once you select this one, then you can control this 3D object. Right. So next, how do we set up? How do we set up the walker here? You can go to the Google, type the wall cycle reference. If you look here, have a look here. There are how many steps? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 steps. Then we have to follow. For example, there are 25 frame, okay, and first frame we have a contact, okay, down, pass post, up, contact, down again, pass post, up, and contact again. You can see the first and the last is same. Okay, so in between one and two and the last frame, okay, and the 25th frame, so we need to assign, for example, a 13, we need to assign the contact. Similar like the first frame, but we inverse. We have a look at the leg here. We should inverse it. Okay. Let's say the left now at the first frame, the left foot at behind. Okay. On the 13, the left foot on forward. Okay. So we have to inverse it, and we have to set up all of these things so we can get the perfect walker. Yeah. So let us set here. Let me set like this. Yeah. Maybe I will take this one. Yeah. So okay. Okay. Number one. What we have to do? Set number one. Yeah. Contact. Okay. I think we will make it small. Okay. Okay. Number one. This is the left side behind. So let me choose here the only the controller. Yeah. Okay. If you look at here, they also can use this one. All right. And then I will make it a little bit down. And this one, I select this and move. Okay. And then you can set up, you can change the properties of the rise heel here. Once you select this, okay, you can select the rise heel like this. And then by middle mouse, okay, you can click the middle mouse and then you can drag it. Can you see? Yeah. Let me see the reference here. Walk cycle reference. Supposedly like this, isn't it? Okay. 2 months example. Then I select this one. Okay. And then for the body, you also can a little bit make it. We rotate it. Yeah. Let's say we want to rotate like this too much. Yeah. So let's say Control Z. I set, for example, 3. Put like all right. Okay, done. Okay. After you set up this one, you can select all this object, all right, and then go to the first frame, and then you can, before you go to the first frame here, you can set up. Here example is the, for the outside here column, it is a total duration. Okay, let's say the total, we start from 1, and then the total duration is 25 frame. Okay, and inside this column Actually, this is the amount of the frame in the timeline. So I'm assigning 1, and this is also, I will make it 25. So you can see I have a frame 1, first frame until 25. Yeah. So I choose the first frame. Okay, I'm already selected all the object here. Then what should I do? Okay, you just press S. Have a look here. There is a red red line. It means that you already set the keyframe. Uh, if you wanna make it automatically, so you can enable this one, auto keyframe, and make it enable. So whatever you change into the frame here, it automatically updated into the set keyframe. Yeah. So for the frame 1, okay, this is the position, like this, right? Next, I'm going to copy, or duplicate this one. Make it duplicate it for 13 here, 13 and 25. So I right click the frame 1, copy. Okay, I go to the 13 here. I go to the 13 and paste. Can you see? As long as there is a red, uh, as long as you can see the red line here, it means that you already set the keyframe in this frame, 13 and also 25, right? Then have a look again. So all right, you already copy this one. Then look at the reference here. Okay. Number 1 and number 25 is similar, okay, same. But on the 13, we have to reverse. How to reverse? Then you can go to the 13, this one, right? On the 13 here, then you have to, what we call, you have to reverse it. Yeah, you have to reverse from left to right. Have, let's see, let me see here. The translate z is minus 1.365. Copy, paste, right? And then let me see here. Rice hill is minus 5.6, isn't it? So I select this one, select rice hill, minus 5.6. How about the right side here? So I can't remember. So let me see. It's 13. Okay, we want to see the value of this. Okay, translate z is 1.7. Just copy and then go to the frame 13. Select this and paste here. Right, and then we will see on the here. rise heel 0, right? Go to here, I select here, rise heel, I make it to 0. So if you want to see, this is number 1, number 13, and 25. 1 and 25 is similar. 13 is different. Okay, clear? All right. The next step, you have to complete, yeah. Let's say the next step is we are going to create 7, okay? Pass, post, like this. Okay. Then we can go to the 7, or if you want to see, number 1. It's working, right? But the body is not changing. Okay, have a look here. Okay, rotate Z is 3. This one 3. How about the 13? 13 also 3. So I will make it a minus 3. Okay, then you can see, because if you want to walk, okay, so sometimes you have to rotate your body to the left, right, because you are not the robot, right? So you have to make it natural, yeah. So you can rotate the body left, right, okay. Of course, if your foot, the right foot, the right uh, foot here forward, then your body should be on the right, isn't it? If this is left and right again. Walking, but not perfect yet. Can you see? Not perfect yet. So if you want to make it perfect, then you have to go the next step, which is 7 example. Yeah, pass post. Yeah. Look at this. In the pass post here, we have a same level, right? Same heat level. Okay, so that but if you look at the heel here, you can see the difference, right? 7 and 19. This is the reverse of the 7. 7 like this, okay, the left side, and supposedly this is the right side. Yeah, it becomes the right side. The post of this foot like this. Yeah. All right. So have a look at the 7 here. If you click the 7, yeah, I forget it. Where is it? This one, yeah, left, and this is right. So let me choose this one. Controller again. Select the move tool. Then you can translate to the back here. All right. And then you need to rotate this one. Okay, like this. And do this one. And then how about and then we have to make it upper like this. I just don't select the 3D model, something like this. No. Yeah, just the controller, only the controller. All right. So this is 7. Okay. Remember, make sure this is the you activate this one, because it will be automatically a keyframe. You set keyframe. If you look at the red here, it means you are active now. Make it automatic, so it become automatically without the pressing S. It automatically changing update into the set frame. All right. So this is what we want. This pose. Okay. And then how about the 19? Okay, we do the inverse one. Yeah, we inverse this. All right. Uh, then let me copy this one. Uh, Example, this is the left, right? Left, we can see X, Y, and sorry, Y, Z, and X. Yeah, for example, Y first. Let me copy first. This is 7. The next is 19. Yeah. So we go to the 19. We select the right. This is Y. This. And then I go to the 7 again. Go to the left. This is Z. I go to 19. Choose the Z one. Right. And then rotate. Go to the 19 again. Something like this. Okay. And then go to the 7 again. I think enough. How about this one? Translate Z, this one. The rest is 0. All right. And I go to 19. Go to the left. All right. Done. How about the body here? Have a look at the body. Y is 0.003. Control C. Then go to the 19 again. And you can paste. Okay, this is 7. This is 19. 7, 19. Right? Okay. Next, we want to set the number 4, yeah, frame number 4. So we make it little bit down here. You can see from the contact, yeah. So you can go to the number 4, like this. Let me see. And then make it little bit down. Then you can make it like this, example. Yeah. And then this is the left side here, like this. We make it translate it. All right. And how about this? We also not 3D model one, but we select this one. Okay, and we don't have a rice hill here. Middle mouse, you can see, isn't it? Something like this. And then this one, little bit. Oh, sorry. I choose this part, but not choosing the 3D model one. All right, something like this. So, number four. Sorry, this is number four. Yeah, number four. Oh, this is two. We can compare. This is translate y is minus 4. This is minus 3. 4, 3. Okay, 4 similar to 16. Yeah. So we will copy this one. Let's say we start from the right. Yeah. So you can see the updated one. Okay. You can see this one. Yeah. Translate Z and rice hill. You can copy and then go to the 16. Okay. 16 and 4 left. This one. Yeah. Okay. 16. What else? Rice hill. Okay. And then go to the number 4 again. This one. There are two, Y and Z. Control C. And then wait, something wrong, huh? This is Z. All right. Okay. How about this one? Life. Y and Z. Okay, correct. And then the body. Let me see this one. And then go to the 16. Let me choose the body here. 16 and 4. Perfect. Is it? Then Have a look. Clear? Any question maybe? Aina Shafika? Irfan Safwan?
No question, no question.
No question.
Hmm.
All right. One more maybe. Where is David? I didn't see David. Fazrul, can you follow in the instruction? Fazrul? Muhammad Shahmin?
No questions, sir.
Right. Let me proceed. Yeah. After that, maybe I will check your work. All right. So actually, this one not complete yet. Okay. And then you have to complete it up. Yeah. Uh, frame number one, frame number four, uh, seven, dan 10 not yet. So we supposedly we have to make it up. Yeah. So after this, I will ask you to do this one. Yeah. Okay. The next one, we set here. If you look at here, we set on the frame is 25, isn't it? Okay. But let's say if you wanna make it a long duration, let's say you already complete this one. Yeah. Example, you already complete everything. This one. This post also already complete. Yeah. Example, up post here already complete. Then you wanna increase the frame. Okay, so you can do like this. Yeah, you can change this one. Okay, the total duration make it, let's say, 100. Yeah, become like this. And if you do, you can see only the first 25 frame. The rest is empty, because empty. Yeah, it's still empty. uh, Example, let me show it to you. Once you select all the object, you can see you already assign only 1 to 25. Okay. And how do you make it, how do you increase it? Yeah, how do you duplicate, how do you duplicate the frame, number of frame? So what should you do here is, of course you have to select. Yeah, start from 25. Okay, 25 and 1 is similar, right? So you can start from the 25, okay, by selecting 25, and then press Shift button, not not until 1 but 2, because 25 and 1 is similar, isn't it? Yeah. Then you can copy. Yeah, you can copy this one by selecting Windows, and then animation editor, choose the graph editor. Okay, you can see like this. Okay, what you select here, you already select. Yeah, frame, keyframe. Yeah, from 25 to 2. Okay, you just click copy like this, and then change the frame, uh, this one to be, this is 25, make it 26. Yeah, and paste. Okay, go to the here, 50, 50, yeah. Control Z. Error, no more comment undo. Hmm. Gila dia. Okay, until 25. Let me see. Okay, stop here. I select 25 again. Shift by shift button to 2. Isn't it? And then go to the Windows, animation, graph. Where is my graph? I made a mistake just now.
Sir,
Yes.
tak boleh ke macam kalau kita duplicate je just lepas kita select 25 frame tu, just Control D.
Control D boleh. Same. Copy and paste. Same. You can mana tadi ya? Sekejap ya. Saya lost dekat ini, sangat silap saya. 24 ya. 25. 20. See. Control Z. Okay. You can do the same thing like I show it to you. Okay. And then let's say I make it 50. Yeah. If you play, there are two. Yeah, two objects. What is this? Body. Skeleton. Duplicate this one. Okay. There is no command undo. This one. Let me see this. Let's say I make it to 50. All right. So I have a list 50 frame example. Okay, 50 frame. Let me. Okay. Example. Let's say I created the 50 frame and then I want to set movement. Yeah. So have a look here. This is I selecting the frame one, and then I select this three angles. Yeah. So let's say I move this object from here. Okay. And then basically in the Maya, if you want to make it walk from one place to another place, you can do it in the translate Z. Yeah. So I select the frame one, okay, and then I set key selected, okay, by clicking a translate Z like this. Just click the font, yeah, in the font here, and then choose the key selected until a red color, yeah, like this. And then uh, I select the frame 50, yeah. Then I translate X here, or maybe until 40 lah. 40. I select a 40, and then I translate it here, middle. Okay, and then I set the keyframe, translate here, right click, select the key selected, yeah, and then 50 at the same location. I will something like simulate the 3D object will walk in the same place. Yeah, I set the key selected frame. 50, 40, same places. Okay, number one are different at the beginning here. Then if you run, can you see? Okay, something like sliding. Yeah, if you look at here, little bit sliding. So if you want to make it something like, of course, as the human walk, they have different speed. You know, speed of the walk. Yeah, walk speed to sometimes we have to delay it. Sometimes we stop it. Okay, because the human has a different speed. This one is similar, something like red flat speed. So you can adjust it by using, let's say, here, let's say from 40, from 1 to 40. At the middle, let's say I choose the something 30 at around 20, 20 here. So I want to make it a set keyframe. Set key selected here, and then 25. Okay, 25. I will make it a little bit. I drag it, back. So make it a little bit something like stop it. Key selected. Look at the from 20. 20. Slide. It's 25. Here. 20. 25, 2.5. 20 is 3. This is 3. Oh, sorry, I not updated this one. Auto, yeah. 20 is 3, translate Z. 25 is 2.3. I will make it 3. Update it. 3. Alright. 20 is 3 point something. So I'm delaying here. 20 to 25. Okay. Have a look here. Translate Z 3. Supposedly it will be decreased, but I decrease slowly. It something like the object is walk in the same position, but basically I translate back to the make it translate Z become a tree, yeah, around a tree. So if you look at here, oh, notice, yeah. So maybe I will make it a little bit change. Okay, 25. This is 26, 2.8, 3, 5. To notice, yeah. Key selected. We want to see something like delay, something like stop. Stop. Something here, something like we change the. You also can add another one, yeah. For example, 1, 2, 8. Yeah. Key selected. 1, 2, 20. Already selected. This one selected. Key selected. Bring. Key selected. Frame. Okay, fine. Okay. And walk in the same place. Right. Let me stop the recording. Then you can ask a question. If you have a query, let me know. Wait a moment.